In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable XML RPC pingbacks in WordPress. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's briefly touch on what XML RPC is and why you might want to disable its pingbacks. XML RPC is a protocol used in WordPress to allow for remote communication and functionality, such as publishing posts via mobile apps. However, it can also open your site up to certain vulnerabilities, as it has been used for distributed denial-of-service attacks, among other things. By disabling pingbacks, we can help secure our WordPress site a little better. So, let's get started. First up, we need to install a plugin. Begin by navigating over to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Plugins. Hover over it, and you'll see an option to Add New. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a screen where you can search for new plugins. You'll want to type in something like Disable XML RPC Pingback into the search bar. Alternatively, you might prefer to use a comprehensive security plugin that offers this feature, such as Sucuri Security or iThemes Security. Each option has its own strengths and might offer additional security benefits for your site. After you've identified a plugin that meets your needs, take a moment to note its user ratings and reviews to ensure it's well-regarded and trusted within the community. Once you've made your choice, you'll see an Install Now button to the right of the plugin's name. Click that button to proceed. After installation, that same button will turn into an Activate button. Simply click that, and bam, your plugin is now active. Now it's time to configure the settings to specifically disable XML RPC pingbacks. For a dedicated plugin specifically designed for disabling XML RPC pingbacks, the great news is that the deactivation often occurs automatically once the plugin is activated. This makes it quite straightforward. If you're using a more comprehensive security plugin like Sucuri or iThemes Security, you'll want to delve into the plugin's settings to locate and turn off XML RPC pingbacks. The specifics might vary depending on the plugin, so it's a good idea to look through their documentation or forums if you need extra guidance. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance the security of your WordPress site by disabling XML RPC pingbacks. Remember, keeping your website secure is an ongoing task, and every step you take, like securing your XML RPC, helps build a solid defense against potential threats. Thanks for joining me, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. We'll see you next time.